Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maibel. So if you're new to this channel, thank you girl, thank you boy for clicking on my video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notification bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. And if you find this content useful, please give me a very big thumbs up, okay? If you're an OG, thank you girl, thank you boy for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you and I appreciate you. So as you can tell by the title, we will be dealing with this. I don't have any explanation for this. I'm not even going to explain. It's just laziness and yeah. So without further ado, let's just prepare our mask. And I'm going to use yogurt to do my mask. I've actually never tried it before. I'm being frank with you. This is my first time. I'm positive about it because it's yogurt. And when I read about the importance of you applying yogurt in your hair, I was like, hell no, I have to try this. So I will be using my yogurt, olive oil. As always, I love olive oil. If you're an OG, you know olive oil is my bestie. Honey, my favorite. I love honey too. I think I used honey in my DIY protein treatment. If you haven't watched, do me a favor to watch my protein treatment. It's very useful. Just that. Then I used peppermint oil. Go to Google, read the use of peppermint oil. I will be telling you the use when I'm preparing the mask, but I'll tell you probably a few, not all. So it's better you guys Google the use of these things yourself. It's actually helpful that way. Yeah. So let's just prepare the mask and then get back on here, then apply the mask on my hair. So I'm going to start off with my no fat natural yogurt. It actually contains lactic acid that is very great for cleansing the scalp and clearing away the dead skin cells to help your hair grow properly. It has a very smoothing properties as well. It offers nourishment to the scalp and then the hair strands. So I'm going to follow up with my olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamin E, which is very essential for hair growth. Then I'll follow up with a few drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil stimulates our scalp and to actually add a little bit scent to the whole mask. Yeah. Then I'll go in with my honey. Honey also is a very great moisturizer. It moisturizes our hair, it cleans our scalp, and it gets rid of built up on our scalp and then on our hair strands. I actually didn't measure anything here. I just eyeballed, so you look at the density of your hair. So this is the mask. You've already seen it. If you skipped, you should go back and watch. I'll just be mixing, then I'll show you the consistency we are looking for here. This is the consistency I'm getting. So I'll just cover my shoulders with my towel, then I apply them on my hair. So before I apply the mask, I will just separate my hair into sections. So I get it most of the time that when did I start being natural? I've actually been natural for 3 years, but I started taking care of my hair a year and a half ago. So you can imagine the damage I caused my hair while I wasn't taking care of it. Trust me. I'll do a story time very soon. I'll do a get to know me tag very soon. So please just stick with me. Don't leave me. Okay? Don't be in a hurry to leave me, okay? Please stick with me. Be part of the Miss Babe family. I'm going to start from my back. So now I'll be using my hand. As you can see, it's messy. Very messy. Don't do it in your mother's living room. Yo, it's messy, but I can see my curls popping. I don't know if you guys can see. I can feel it melting my hair though. I don't know. I just go in with my comb. I'll just twist this section. But I think I liked how my hair feels. Like my hair, it's the curls are popping, so that is actually a good sign. I don't know. Let's see. On to the next one. Okay, can you see that curls? It's actually a good sign. Don't leave your scalp. Doesn't actually look bad. It doesn't really look bad. I don't know, but it doesn't. I like washing my hair in sections, so that's why I'm doing the twist. But okay, I think I'll do only this section on camera. I like how my hair feels. I can't wait to wash it out, but I have to put it under a plastic rubber. I use a plastic rubber because I just like plastic rubber. It just gets me excess heat for the treatment to penetrate in my hair. So I'm going to use a plastic rubber to cover it for 45 minutes. And I'll show you after 45 minutes when I wash it out. I'll show you how my hair feels. But for now, I think it's actually a good sign. It's actually a good sign. It's not bad. My hair feels soft. It melted my tangles right when I applied it into my hair. I could see my curls were also coming back. So let's not get too excited here. After washing, we know pretty much how it went.
So I just covered my hair with a plastic bag and my towel. So I'll just leave it for 45 minutes. Then I'll show you how it looks after I rinse the mask out.
So this is how my hair feels after 45 minutes. Trust me, my hair feels very soft. It really feels soft, and yeah, let me show you how it looks. So this is how my hair feels after washing, shampooing and deep conditioning. My hair feels so soft and shiny. It feels so soft, yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.